Have you ever wondered how to prevent mold growth on the silicone around your bath and shower? Now, boy, do we get asked this question quite a lot. Well, it's a tough one, but explained with one important word: ventilation. Regardless of product's use, the way they're applied and the aftercare, the key factor to prevent the mold growth on curing silicone sealants in any areas of high humidity is certainly adequate ventilation. Of course, extraction fans are installed in standard bathrooms these days. It's part of the building regulations, especially in new buildings. And they do a decent job at taking away some of the steam after a hot shower or a bath. But an upgrade often conjures up images of expensive devices such as dehumidifiers and premium extraction fans. Well, the good news is this doesn't need to be the case. The easiest and most cost-effective way of airing a room is to simply open the window during or after use. Also, another great tip for helping your silicone sealant stay mold-free is to only use a high-quality silicone sealant with fungicide, such as 3C's HM. And don't forget, always rinse off with clean water and dry the areas off in the bathroom straight after use. I hope that's answered your question, but if you've got any more, please comment below.